Hey everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing tonight? Welcome to my channel. I am back from Florida and back with the promised giveaway from Miss Tina that where she sent me a wonderful happy mail. And so I had said I wanted to share it, kind of like a pay it forward type of thing. And so here I am finally. After my trip, I was able to get it organized, and I have decided to have two winners. Tina sent me so many things that I thought, I have enough here to divide into two little packs of fun goodies. Pretty much I would say they're junk journal supplies or crafting type goodies. So let me just run through one of these with you. I'll put this one over to the side and flip through this one real quick so you can see what is in the pile. So like I've got some stickers here. Let me just hold them up close since these are small. Some little stickers and a little booklet. She made kind of an altered little mini composition books here. She's recovered the front and the inside. So pretty. She included a little journaling card with each one. And inside and outside the back covers also recovered. There are some of these kind of like collection library recipe cards from the 70s. I think they say 1971 on them. So those are really fun to have and work with and use in your crafts and junk journals. These are little made for and from stickers. I'm trying to get where is my camera? There it is. And so I've got a few of those in different colors. She sent me a lot of things so I could share. An index card divider, some label stickers. I've got a picture here, pretty picture of a lady, some pretty napkins. And I'm just flipping through this really quick, so this video is short, hopefully, but some pretty paper bags. These were hard for me to let go. You know how I have a thing for paper bags. So I did let go, though. I need to destash and not hoard. That's what I was telling myself. These are little pieces of cardstock. They're 6 by 6 and they're really pretty. Very vintage and just pretty. Some botanical. There's some deer there. Tina sent me some book pages, so some of those are in here. All of these book pages, there's a bunch. So those will be fun. And then, last but not least, some brown envelopes. These are so many things you can do with those, you know. So that is the giveaway, 2 of those, so 2 winners. And then I thought what would be fun is if when these go out, I'll be throwing in a few surprises from my own stash, because I need to share my own stash and de-stash some things. So I'll throw in a few surprises in here, and then these will go out and the winners will be picked. I'm thinking today's Monday. Let's do the drawing. I'm hoping to do it maybe Thursday night. That would be perfect, because then I could possibly get these out on Friday before the weekend. So I think that's a good plan. And so to enter, if you would please just hit the thumbs up, which is the like button. Okay? So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, hit the subscription, hit that little bell so that you get notified of my next videos. So that's 1, 2, 3 things, and comment under this video. And there has to be a comment to enter so that you can, I use the random comment generator. So in order for your comment to be counted, you have to have a comment. So I think everybody pretty much knows how it all works. But in case you're new and you have never done a giveaway before, that's how it works. So. And I can check the subbies, so if y'all wouldn't mind making sure I can see that you're subbed, and that would be awesome. And I really want to let everybody know, besides this being a pay it forward, that it's also a thank you from me, because I appreciate you all subbing, first of all, watching my videos and giving me such kind feedback. And, you know, I'm almost to 1,000. So, you know, everybody below 1,000 that's their goal, to get to 1,000. So it's just, you know, not a big deal, but it's just a goal, you know. So something fun, you know, a little challenge. We challenge ourselves to get to 1,000. So 1,000 subbies. So I'm almost there. I'm happy about that. So everybody, I want to thank everybody and wish you a happy night, and thank you for watching, and happy crafting. I'll see you next time.